The same things that we were doing 30 years back when we were banning the holy clothes of people. Christians are taking them back into the church.
Hayibo, izinto abezenza iminyaka engamashumi amathathu edlule lasishisa izinto abantu ababeyilahla amaKristu namhlanje alanda zona lezi zinto esasishisa.
I'm sorry for the Faith Mission people.
Ngiyaxolisa ngama-5 amhlophe.
Because my crusade in the early 80s, the late 70s, we were banning all the blue and white garments of Apostolic Faith Mission.
Ngoba ngeminyaka yama-70 phela sasishisa ublue no-white wama-Faith Mission.
I'm sorry because now the church is bringing back what we have rejected in 37 years ago.
Ngiyaxolisa ngoba ibandla libuyisa lokho esakulahla eminyakeni engu-37 edlule.
37 years ago, we were preaching against Mapostola, who were giving people water, but today we are the one who are selling water more expensive than anything.
Eminyakeni engamashumi amathathu nesikhombisa edlule sasilahlisa abantu amanzi, kodwa namhlanje kudayiselwa abantu amanzi.
We are sorry that we preached about adultery. Today, the only person who commits adultery is a girl who is pregnant.
Siyaxolisa ukuthi sashumela ngokuphinga namhlanje umuntu ophingayo intombazane ekhulelwe.
There's no man who is adultery. The adulterers are only those who are pregnant.
Akusekho indoda ephingayo, abaphingayo laba abakhulelwe kuphela. Hayibo.
Askis.
Xolo.
Skis.
Xolo.
Skis.
Uxolo.
Yesterday,
Isolo.
I'm sorry because I was one of them.
Ngiyaxolisa ngoba bengingomunye wabo.
We were banning the witchcraft in the church.
Besishisa izinto zobuthakathi ebandleni.
And the witches were coming and getting baptized.
Abathakathi babesa bebhapathiswa.
But today we kneel before them. We want power to preach.
Kodwa namhlanje siyabaguqela sifuna amandla okushumayela.
Now we bow before them. We want the power to perform miracles.
Namhlanje siyabakhothamela sifuna amandla okwenza imangaliso.
Be mercy upon us, Lord.
Yiba nomusa kithi uNkulunkulu. Hayibo.